guys, what I wanted to do today was something that I've been wanting to do in my car, and I just wanted to see how my car reacts to trying to hit. What happens if you hit your on and off start button while the car is in motion, and also wanted to see what my car does if I hit the parking brake, because traditionally you know how regular cars, you hit the button, or actually you don't have a button, you have the emergency brake lever, so you just hit that, and you know a lot of people would use it as an emergency brake, and so I always wondered what actually happens if you hit that button on these new cars. So I'm gonna try to find an area where I can see, just in case something happens, I don't have cause an accident or something. So I'm gonna just drive around real quick and try to find an empty area, and we'll give it a shot. All right, guys, we'll see. All right, you guys, I think I found a good spot here. Let me see. We're gonna try first. We're gonna try the on and off button for the car and see what happens. I don't think much would happen, but let's give it a shot here. So, alright, so you just get a warning sign that says push and hold power switch off for emergency stop. Alright, so nothing too crazy. That was just the so just in an emergency, I guess nothing would really happen. And let's give the parking brake a shot. So we're going about 15 miles an hour here. Now let's hit the parking brake. It says shift to neutral, stop vehicle to shift to park. Huh. So I guess it actually switched my car automatically to neutral. It didn't even so it seems like there isn't a emergency brake option here, just like you would in an old car. So if you hit it, let's try one more time. Yeah, nothing happens. It just beeps and it gives you a warning sign, and then it puts the car into neutral. At least this is for I have a 2016 Prius, so that's what happens on this car. I was just always interested in seeing what would happen, and there you go, guys. So if you have any of these cars with this new technology, they just have the push to start. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna leave you with this, and then also I recently went to Beverly Hills and I saw some pretty cool cars. There's a little just a few shots of cars that I found or seen out there while I was out there, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, thank you very much for being subscribers, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you, guys.